Hey there! In this video, I want to walk you through a process of doing brain dump. It's a simple technique which can help you to declutter your mind. It helps a person to feel more control over their emotions as well as their thoughts. So, very first step is we just need to take a piece of paper or a book, nothing fancy, whatever you feel like. Or if you are kind of person who is much more comfortable using mobile phone, you can write there as well. And start off by writing. So here you do not have to overthink. Just start writing. It could be small or big things, important or random. Anything, everything which comes in your mind, just allow yourself to let it flow onto the paper. If you feel stuck, maybe just give it a thought. What is it which I am worried about? What is it which I am excited about? What is it which is going on in my mind? It could be work stress, it could be personal issues, or it could be just random ideas. Allow yourself to just put it on that piece of paper. For example, right now, my thoughts are, I need to send an email to my supervisor. I need to write a case history about the patient I saw yesterday. I need to edit this video. So it doesn't need to make sense. It's just about emptying your mind from all the thoughts which we are carrying around onto the paper. So right now it is not here. We are allowing ourselves to put it out there. In the middle, if you feel overwhelmed, you can allow yourself to take a break. Have a sip of water. Maybe do quick deep breathing. Take some time and then get back to it. I do understand that sometimes it gets overwhelming because we are just putting whatever is going on in our mind out there. So don't be so hard on yourself. Main purpose is just to put everything out. But at any point you feel uneasy, allow yourself to take a break because that is something which is equally important. Now the second step is categorize or reflect. Once I have dumped everything, I like to put things into categories. It could be worries, tasks, or just random thoughts. This helps me to gain clarity as well as this helps me to form a pattern. And you can also do it for yourself if you feel like. After completing all the brain dump part, you can allow yourself to that start just scanning through the page if you feel comfortable. Just try to see that what all are the things which you have written where it is much more about the worry part. What all are the things which is much more about maybe at the workplace part, at the personal part. Just try to categorize it. After that, I often ask myself that, is this something which is in my control? Second, I ask myself, is it a thought or a fact? Third, can I do something about it or it's just taking up space in my mind? That is something which really helps me to gain a lot of clarity in a way that if this is something which is in my control, is there something which I want to do about it or I can allow myself to let it go. Third step is now if there are any important tasks, I note it down in my planner, and if there's nothing, I simply allow myself to close the notebook and move on. Try this next time if your mind feels crowded. Just grab a paper, write everything down and free your mental space. Don't forget to subscribe if you want such mental health tips.